Welcome to this video where we will tackle a common problem that many people encounter when trying to run a VBScript code within an HTA file. The issue arises when using the ACE OLEDB provider in a 64-bit environment to access an Excel sheet. The error message "provider cannot be found. It may not be properly installed" pops up, pointing to line 15 of the script. This can be quite frustrating, but fear not, as we have a solution at hand to help you resolve this troublesome situation. In the solution, to address the issue with the HTA running in 32-bit mode, we need to run the HTA in 64-bit mode instead. By utilizing the command cdd:/temp/wpb2 single quote followed by md:/temp/wpb2/test4.hta single quote, you can ensure that the HTA script runs correctly. This simple adjustment will allow the script to access the Excel sheet without any hiccups, providing a seamless experience for the user. Moving on with the solution, an additional step involves setting the current folder to the scripts folder. By including the code snippet dim-ofso, owsh, mypath, myfolder, and setting the current directory using owsh.currentDirectory equals myfolder, you can prevent any errors related to accessing the Excel file. This adjustment ensures that the script functions smoothly within the HTA environment, guaranteeing a hassle-free experience for the user. Continuing with the solution, if the Excel file is located in a different directory from the script, you can explicitly set that folder as the current directory. By employing the code dim-ofso, owsh and setting the current directory with owsh.currentDirectory equals d:/temp/wpb2 single quote, you can overcome any potential obstacles related to file access. This straightforward tweak optimizes the script's functionality, allowing for seamless interaction with the Excel sheet regardless of its location. In summary, addressing the compatibility issues between the HTA and the ACE OLEDB provider in a 64-bit environment is crucial for ensuring the smooth execution of VBScript code accessing Excel sheets. By following the outlined solutions to run the HTA in 64-bit mode, set the current folder correctly, and handle file locations effectively, you can resolve any errors and enjoy a seamless user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your support means the world to us.